Hey guys, so for today's video I wanted to just come on and show you guys how I Facetune my photos. So I tried to do this once already. I realized that once I went to edit the footage, I didn't even start screen recording. I wasn't screen recording. So this is my try to, and let's just start. Okay, so screen recording, I'll put the screen record right here. I'm just picking this picture from my camera roll, and there's no picture down, there's no thing down there for me to do. So first things first, I'm so weird, I don't know why I do this, but I have to flip every picture that I take. Don't know, couldn't tell you why. Okay, how rude of Facetune to just quit like that. Okay, so now, first thing I do, well, second thing I do, I guess, go to retouch, black and white. Then I will go in and black and white the background, because if you look at all my old pictures, I used to always take pictures right here. I still do, but they weren't cohesive like they are now, and that's really because I started doing this. Okay. So now I go in, now you don't have to do this, but I ate a lot of salt recently, and so my face right here gets really swollen. So I'm just gonna click refine and push back that little thing a little bit, not even a lot. It's so petty, I don't know even why I do that, but then I'm gonna go to retouch heal, and I'm just gonna zoom in on things I want to get rid of, like pimples or texture or nothing crazy, but just anything that looks funky. Didn't even know I had a pimple there. Okay. Accidentally healed a part of my forehead, but whatever. So now I'm just gonna go in, go to touch up, then just do things here like eyes, nose, eyebrows, sometimes not always, and lips, which just gives a little bit of like definition. Or I should go on the Snapchat and see that I'm doing it. I did this look on a Snapchat takeover. Won't be available by the time this goes up, but so now I'm gonna go and do retouch, then vibrance. Now how I feel, I'm just gonna go over my eyeshadow, and how I feel about this is kind of how I watched a video on James Charles, is how as long as you're not editing makeup on, picture editing is like an art in itself. So I'm just gonna go and vibrance my eyeshadow just to like give it a little bit of something, and then I'm gonna go in and filter, or no, I mean tone and paint, and I'm gonna pick black just because I have this little gap right here. I'm just gonna fill that in. Oh my god, I realized, okay, in this picture I'm for sure wearing my shirt inside out. I tried to take my shirt off and find a new shirt for the picture. Like I tried to find this yellow one, but I for sure am wearing my shirt inside out. Please just ignore that. I can't think of anything else. I think that is Instagram ready, if you will. If you guys like this video, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you guys want to see more videos like this, please let me know. I really have been trying to like revolutionize, I don't know. I've been really trying to reboot my channel and think of like video ideas I want that are different and things I like typically wouldn't do. So if you guys want to see anything at all, literally if you have any idea of what you want to see, please comment them below. And I think that's it. If you like this video, make sure to If you like this video, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys. Nope, that's not my outro. If you guys like this video, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. All my social medias are simply Seth with 2 H's, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye. Shane Dawson back in the day. Do I look crazy? If I import this footage and I look crazy, I will end it all.